Hello! This week's fine motor video is going to focus on scissor skills, just a super quick, simple activity, but just looking at the basics of scissor skills. The first thing I want to mention is posture. You want kids to be sitting up straight and tall with their feet flat on the floor. Table height or desk height should be, as with all fine motor activities and writing activities, about 2 inches above elbow height when you're sitting and your arm is at your side. That way, if the kids do need to stabilize their arms, stabilize their elbows on the table when cutting, that's a good height for them. Grasp of the scissors, you always want to make sure thumbs are up with the helper hand and with the cutting hand. I like to encourage the index finger to be outside. It just kind of helps stabilize the scissors and guide the scissors. And then either just their middle finger in that second big loop, or you can put your ring finger in there as well. If you need to put a little visual cue on the scissors, like a little sticker or something, so that they can see that that's the part that should be facing up, a little visual cue maybe on their fingernail so they can make sure that they're seeing those things so their hand is facing the right way when they're cutting, that can be really helpful too. Elbows should be in when they're cutting. A lot of times kids will start cutting and I like to say no chicken wings, and we kind of push that elbow down. If need be, you can have them like hold something under their arm when they're cutting to try because that prevents them from lifting it up. Just kind of a little cue there for them. That is helpful as well. Also, using cardstock instead of just regular printer paper makes cutting a little bit easier for the young kids. So for this activity, we're just drawing very simple icicles on a piece of paper. It's straight lines, so kids don't have to worry about maneuvering curves or angles or anything like that. And you're just going to encourage them to do all of those things, posture-wise, grasp-wise, that I just showed you. And then what they can do with these is they can either just put letters on them and then arrange them to make their name or a snap word. Otherwise, words, they could write on there to practice spelling or letter formation. And then you can also encourage more fine motor by using tape and have kids learn how to pull tape off the tape roll. Making tape rolls to put on the back of things is an awesome fine motor activity. And then they can tape them up maybe on a window or on a wall, and you can see all the cool icicles hanging down. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have fun with that one.